Hello guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Lady G. Today's topic we want to treat today now about our brother Omoyele Sowore when they arrest some few days ago. I don't make a video about this topic, but the latest one when it dey ground now I won't still let you know make I join the one when I first do. But before I go, I would like make una listen to this short music. Okay guys, I go stop for there because I know go fit play the whole music finish. I know say most of una dey familiar with this music when Fela Kuti play. The time when he play this music now very long time ago. No be now he play this music. You don't say when he play this music. I think 1980 something. Now he play this music. When this man first day for power, the way he take rule us, the way things be that time, things were so rough before he come provoke this Fela when they sing this music. So now the thing when it first happened that time, now still they repeat itself again. So what I want to talk today about today's topic now about Omoyele Sowore when this guy arrest, when this Buhari and the co-members when they arrest for no reason, because they say he want overthrow them, he want organize coup make them overthrow them. That is, they won't do revolution. Say the revolution now to overthrow government. What is the meaning of revolution? How revolution want to overthrow government? Revolution is there everywhere. It there the whole world. That is, if things no they go well with government, the people get right to voice out their anger or the way they feel. That be revolution. Not me say as they want to do revolution, they fit take over. They won't take over your government. And even though say before you reach to that extent, say they do revolution, that is they can't take over your government. You know say you don't reach the extent when they say you don't do. They don't fit bear and again. They don't fit take this something again at all. Before you will reach to that extent. Sowore campaign early this year. He say he won't run as president. He won't be president of Nigeria. He campaign. He campaign like every other people when he still campaign. Though he can't lose the election. But that time when he dey campaign, they use this revolution of 18 they campaign right from time say Nigeria we need revolution. Now only that one fit change Nigeria, because without that we go just dey one place. We go just only dey one place. They run around, they go round and round and round like roller coaster. So now he make him say this revolution he won't do one. He dey make that speech. I don't know so whether most of them don't hear this when they make this speech before he election. Even after the election, when he come back to Nigeria again, say he won't do revolution. He won't lead the revolution group. He say no war. You know talk say na war. Now they won't do. Say revolution. Now normal thing. if government no dey rule the people well and the people are not satisfied with the way government dey rule them, they go do revolution. I no know why Nigeria open different. That music when una just hear now, when this man Fela sing, na long time ago. But the time when this man dey sing this music, many people dey talk say na Chris person na im be, na wetin dey smoke na im dey worry am. No be wetin dey smoke. Na revelation. Na the thing wey he talk that time. Na all of them na im dey happen so. The way Bubu first take rule before 1983, na the same hand na still take dey handle Nigeria. If e no even worse pass as e dey that time. Okay, excuse me, you na president, you wan rule people when you dey rule, you say you wan help them, you wan do things to make them dey better. Then say they no like the way you dey do and they no dey enjoy am, they no like you again. You no go leave them now by force. You go leave them because you no fit force person help am when you no wan help. You will say we no need that kind of help when you dey help us. No be that kind of help, no be we want. Then you go leave Nigerians alone. He say no, say na by thunder, na by fire. This Nigeria, this government when e hold gang and this Nigeria problem when we dey today so. Now people, now you fight the independence when e be say we come be free people. When they free us from colonial masters. People like Atoni Enaholo, then dey for there. People like Azikiwe, then dey for there. People like Awolowo, they dey for there. He no even join this Bubu. He no even join. He with all this jangbanjan, this crew members when they waka for long, when they gather, they run the government when they Nigeria now. They no dey among all these people at all. They no even dey waiting Nigeria to get their independence. I don't know why they can't hold Nigeria personally. Say na their personal property, na their personal problem. They no want give another person chance. The thing when they promise say they won't do, they no fit do am. They no want me another person. Try best make we see how that person go still work. If Omoyele Sowore say he won't lead the revolution, I don't see anything wrong there because he reached to the extent when he say revolution na be the only solution as things come be now. If he lead a revolution and Bubu himself think say in revolution when he won't lead, say na threat to his own government. If na threat to a government, in the sense that waiting in the fear Sowore for, if in dey treat people well when they Nigeria, in dey handle them well, in dey rule them accordingly the way the people like, when e dey sweet our belle, e no go dey fear say Sowore wan overthrow or Sowore wan take revolution scatter a government. Because he dey fear, he know say wetin he dey do, e no right. Na make am anything, he dey look am straight to a government. See Biafra people, na so when they raise voice, he send Python dance make go dance for them. He wan arrest their leader. Only say Kanu that one come, he come sharp, he come run, no come fit, he get am. Okay. When Sowore see bring it home, the same thing, because anybody when he raise voice say the situation of Nigeria get as it be, for na threat to a government. Na threat to a government. He say Sowore talk say revolution when he won't do na to systemize things, make things good, and he no suppose talk say he won't lead the revolution, say the thing can't bring problem come Nigeria, it can't scatter the peace of Nigeria. Me, I don't know when Nigeria don't get peace reach. I don't know whether Nigeria will get peace. As me, I know reach now. I don't know whether peace dey Nigeria. Even people when in the Western world here, that is we when they for yonder here to go house now. It be like person they go battleground, person they go war front. Now so you go they fear. Now so you go they take hand they hold your head. Now so you go they pray say whether ground clear for house where for Bodo there before you go come out say you want come out for here. If peace dey, I don't think say we for the think like that. And apart from that one, wetin I want add to this something. Fulani herdsmen when be say that they do different things, they do different havoc, different things here and there for Nigeria. Even international people, they don't know them. Different, the whole world don't know say Fulani herdsmen. That be problem when we get for Nigeria. He never arrest them. Their oga patapata come out boldly. He make videos say he threaten Nigerians and the government say he give them 30 days when he be say they will fit take decide before they will give them Ruga settlement. He no arrest them because those ones not be threats to in government. All those one not be threat to Nigerians because na im brothers. But Omoyele Sowore say he won't lead revolution, can't become threat to in government. They can't even pronounce am as say na terrorist man, na he not supposed make those speech when he make. They catch am, they don't see anything for in hand. He never even lead the something. They don't they accuse am for different thing. Whether Bubu like it or not, in with the crew members, revolution have come to stay. Nothing fit change am. All this one when it be say then they do. They only just want delay the things when it be say go take place, and they promote the things when it won't take place. That is the word they know more, the more. Waiting they happen for Nigeria. When the time come, waiting go happen, it go still happen. Because the way where they look, this Jangbanjantis government and the crew members, these people, they are not ready to change, and they are not ready to give anybody chance when we say won't move Nigeria forward. The only answer to them now revolution. Yes, it's revolution. It's revolution. Revolution, no be now revolution start to dey go on for Nigeria. Revolution don't dey for a long time. Revolution they happen in different way. Now only say they know they acknowledge and the government they know they take time to be anything. Okay, see the other day, driver, policeman stop driver. He tell am say make he bring some so amount, make he give am some money. He say he don't get. He never work. He don't get money as he dey here. So what did the police do? The next thing bring, he gonna come out, he shoot the guy, finish the guy instantly. The guy lose the life. This one a person when be say he get family, he get children, he get people when they look up to him. Just finish the man life like that. What can happen after that one? All the drivers they start to the riot, they block everywhere, they carry their motor for everywhere, they start to the fight, they riot. That will not be revolution. That will not be revolution. Eh? The shite when they fight up and down. We hold their oga pata. Everybody don't tell him to make it live, and he said no. Waiting if you like heaven John Grant. Now waiting there for him mind, now he go do. That will not be revolution. Eh? Upon all this kata when he first day grant. That one never do. They still bring another one, say they want to add another problem for this Yoruba people join now. Can you just imagine that? Me, I don't know the kind man when he be this. That is, he's so self-centered, he's so stubborn-headed, and nobody fit tell him what he go do. The way he take the rule his family for house, his wife and his children. Now so that same hand, now so he take the rule Nigerians. I don't know how things can just end up like this. People don't fair rule before income power. If it be say people when he rule, now so they hold the power personally, say the way when they want Nigeria. Now so it will be. I'm not sure say this position when they for reaching hand. When colonial masters, when we do under colonial masters, when they be saying now then they rule us before we can't get our independent. If now the way he hold power, now so all those one hold power say anything no they will go fit take this power from them. You not think say we forget freedom today? No, we for not get freedom today. We for still dey under them till today. If na the way Bubu hold power, now so all those one hold power, we for not get freedom, not to talk of say himself no go come dey that position when he dey. He take Nigeria as his own personal property. So why they make this video be say today na special day for Sowore. Now him make am wear this my special color, this orange color. Now their symbol. The symbol of revolution, to say I'm part of it, in the sense that even though say I'm not there physically there, I did there in one way or the other. Yes, I'm part of it. I support it big time, because there is no way when be say Nigeria will fit take comeback without revolution. Now let that one be the language when they go hear. Serious one. Now that one be the language when they go hear. So Sowore must be free, whether he like it or not. Sowore must be free. I still surprised all these things when it happen. Some people still come out. They still they roam out. Then they talk say, now maybe na popularity. Now Sowore they look for. Which popularity they look for? What thing they find for this world when you never see? Sahara Reporter alone, that one don't make everybody first know. So which popularity they look for again? This guy have been an activist right from the one. Now so it be. Now activist now it be. Everybody knows it. Activists I don't know whether na crime. whether na crime for Nigeria, I don't know. For where CNN and Al Jazeera for the choose, if you don't choose them finish, now that side, na Sahara reporter near, na Omoyele Sowore na get am. So I don't see any popularity when they look for again when he don't get. The only popularity when me I know say he won't get now be say some people when never know am, when never know say this na the thing when he can't do for Nigeria, he wants make revolution take place so that the government they will change from their bad way to good ways. Now this detain when they detain now. This detain when they detain now. Indirectly, they do publicity for them. People when don't know they go know. If they make and they expand more, if they make the whole world they know. If they make the whole world they know say Nigerians have been in bondage ever since. If they make the whole world they know say we have been smiling but we are suffering. But this detain when they detain Sowore so it's only making things to get worse. So I stand by Sowore. He must be free. Sowore must be free. He no do anything. Una no see weapon for his hand. Una no see anything when he don't do. If I thought say he won't do revolution. Revolution na normal thing dey everywhere for the whole world. E dey everywhere. Nowhere when revolution not dey. Before Muammar Gaddafi come comot for power, when he say the people they come kill and everything, not be revolution, not be littoral. E dey everywhere. Dey Arab world. E dey for Africa. E dey for Europe. E dey Asia. All the 5 continents when e dey for this world, revolution dey take place. Not be new thing. I don't know why e be say anybody when e be say he won't raise voice for Nigeria, he won't raise voice for the voiceless, he go pick that person, he go put am behind the bar. Now the same thing when be won't do Nnamdi Kanu, only say that one come be like say he fast. But waiting go still take place. It go still take place. You only just delay the something, but waiting go still take place. It go still take place. Now that one be my own belief, yes. So I ask for the freedom of Omoyele Sowore. I want him to be free. I stand by him 100%. Let him be free. I want the freedom of Omoyele Sowore. And I want make everybody unite, make everybody join hand together to cooperate and ask for the freedom of this our man when they hold unjustly for no reason. So now that won't be my topic today. Now that's topic now I won't share with you now. And I know say most of you they in support of this guy. Some people then when they say Sowore come destroy the peace of Nigeria, he come from Obodo Ibo, he come they say he won't do revolution, when we suffer dey peacefully. Which peace dey for Nigeria? When peace start to the reign for Nigeria? When? Una no hear the music when I pray, when I play for una just now. Music when I play for my this thing for Fela. You no get time when be say peace dey for that country. Only say instead of only say they get worse every day. The thing when he no see chance stay for free. The time when he come 1983. Now the thing now he come finish now. Now he make him say by thunder by fire he must rule back. He must come back to power to come complete the agenda. Now we dey so. Which peace dey for Nigeria? Peace no get time when it dey Nigeria. Shite dey fight for one corner. Biafran they dey for one side. Fulani herdsmen they do their kata for one side. Different problem here and there. So which peace Sowore come scatter for Nigeria? He only come because he dey feel bad the way the government, this Jagbanjanti's government and the crew member take they run Nigeria, the way things they go, the people they are suffering, they are crying, they are dying, they are in pains. Now he say he won't come ask for freedom and to come ask for their rights. The way we take ask for freedom, make we free from the colonial masters when before they give Nigeria independence. Now the same freedom be like say we dey go through again now. But this time around, not be from colonial people, not be from colonial masters, now from our own people, our own person. You know better make we dey with colonial master than it be say now we go dey enslave ourselves. Now enslavement na Nigerians dey. This is not democracy. This is democracy. Yes, mark my word. This is democracy. This is not democracy. This is not how to run democracy. The time when Jonathan dey for power, when he talk some kind word, do some kind thing, he do some kind things when it be like revolution that time now. Jonathan he no arrest him. He no take action, he no do anything. That is democracy. Yes, that is democracy. See, American government now, they don't put some law say hey, they don't want make we dey enter their place like that from Africa like that again. And even the politicians say they don't want, they give them visa, they want make things they hard, they don't want make they enter like that again. Why? Because they fear, they see things when they happen for them. Before all the politicians that will come, some will come say they won't go stay there. Before you know it now, they won't go for visit, they no agree come back again. They will come the thing when they say they learn for Nigeria for that side, they will come the exhibitor for the big politicians. Not be individual, because individual fit go there maybe now for a business or maybe go there to relocate the family or anything. Now the politicians, now they are one really make them not let them enter there again. Yes, that is how a good government dey rule. Na so good government dey protect its citizens, because they see things when they happen for Nigeria, they see different things. So they don't want make that thing come take place or come disturb the peace of their citizens. Now it make the government for their talk say they won't make the visa hard, make they ban them. All those agbada people and the crew members, make them not they enter there again, make them not they come there again. Let them go and fix their own country, make them go fix their place. If na the way when they run Nigeria na so that they run this side and place when they run, they come here for uptown for here. Na so then they run there for there. They know what they run come here every time. How many times they see the ones when they hear they run go there? Because nothing they happen for them. Now only them, now with their crew members, I don't know what I will call them. In short, they are all kwawaras. They are kwawaras, yes. Now that one be the name when I give them. They are kwawaras. Eh? They know they see the one when they here when they run go their side. Now so then they run come this side. Anything when they won't do, they go run come here. Belle they pay them, nyash they pay them, ear they pay them, head they pay them, brain they pay them. Now here they go run come. Because not be person, not be face here. If not the way you they run Nigeria and so that person run here, it go good for you to run come. So now all these things, all the good things when they run come meet. Now be one of the things when make Sowore come Nigeria. I say enough is enough. We have to cooperate. We have to unite. When we come out all these all those Jagbanjantis people, so that we fit move our government, move our country forward. We know our rights. Now that one the guy can't do. Not be say they look for popularity, or maybe hungry they kill and you don't see money to eat, or you get something one special thing when they find for inside. Not be fame. You don't get fame. The only thing be say the fame when they get now, the thing they worse, they increase more because Buhari indirectly they promoter. If they promoter, you don't know. If the thing say I seen the whole land behind the bar now, they treat them unjustly, they hold am for no reason. Say now, you don't know say they make the revolution self, if they make and they worse, if they make the whole world, everybody now they go participate. Person when point one finger to person indirectly for the point to am. Now people are real, you don't know. In with his friend and the crew members, when be say that they handle Nigeria like na their personal property. So if you are here, you're watching this video, please share if you want to share it. And we have to join our voice together, raise our voice. Sowore must be free. I ask for the freedom of Sowore because he has done nothing wrong. He don't do anything. They don't see anything for a hand. He don't do anything. If you say he won't do revolution, revolution is no war. He don't do violent revolution. They don't see anywhere. He never destroy anything. He never even do the revolution. And not be nice start to use revolution, they campaign. I see no reason why he can't be seen and now they can't arrest him. Maybe there is something more to this. Yes. So I ask for the freedom of Sowore. So if you are part of the revolution, please raise your voice and let's join together and ask for the freedom of Omoyele Sowore. He must be free. So now that will be the message of today when we say I want to share with you now. So please, if now get something I want to add, join now, or your own contribution or something when you want to add, join this topic when I don't do, you are free to add it in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime when I get new video, you go dey get alert, you go dey know say I don't put new video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope to come your way some other time, and have a blessed day, and goodbye. Bye.